I bought these two rear wheel bearing from Amazon. This is the company name. I'm gonna install them today. However, I've installed a lot of bearing in my life, but this is really the thing I don't like about this. I don't know why the company didn't stamp their name or a number on the hub itself here. According to the picture on Amazon, there is a stamp of a part number here, or a number at least. It shows that the company paying attention to what they're doing or what they're selling. So now, how do you know this was from this company? This is something I don't like. I hope this will work. I bought them because of the name. I think they're a good company, but I am not happy with what I saw. I know it's made in China, which is, I didn't like that, but still, just don't like why there is no stamp here anywhere. It shows that this belong to this company. Okay, so if anyone got the same bearing and you saw that stamp, please just post it. Let us know what's going on here. I usually like to see numbers. I like to see these stamps, these stud stamps, but none of these stuff happening here. I hope the speed sensor, the ABS sensor also work. On both the same thing. This is the left side. So I will be happy or more confident when I see there is a stamp, the company stand behind it, at least laser print on here. On the stock picture, it shows that there is a stamp here. There's a number on the hub. However, this one doesn't have it. Alright, this is what's gonna reduce the reviews to 3 for now, and I will see if I have any update after I install them. I'll update the review.